Hello there, friends. As we're about to embark in this vast canyon, we dedicate this video to a very special friend of ours who had just passed. Someone full of life, loved the outdoors, relished open spaces, one of the brightest stars in the universe. A person that loved life to the max. RG, you will be missed. May your soul rest in peace. You will always remain in our hearts. Your memories will remain our blessings.
dust of Mars and the taste of loss. Gray coast home, the birds and swirls have that wireless chime. Echoes lost in time, visions like waves float around the name. The tears gonna dry in the sun. The skies will heal on their own. Memories will be tattoos on your soul. The years will give back what they stole. Crack a grin, a pink sun was his kin. Riding a train, ride down memory lane. The tears gonna dry in the sun. The skies will heal on their own. Memories will be
Good day, dear friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Today was a day that we plan to visit the Red Rock area. A day that we actually brought eggs with us to do the experiment. Little did we know that the temperature would have dropped to 82 degrees. So here we are. But we decided not to give up, even though the temperature dropped. It's perfect. We decided to instead give you a view of the canyon. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to give you a view of the canyon. So come with us. Can't wait to see what's there.
grab your jacket and your shades. We're taking a little be sad. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly along. Oh, 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 oh. There'll always be someone trying to hold you down. Just forget about it now. Follow your passion, follow your dreams, even if it flows upstream. Ah, 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 ah. It takes a strong soul to live in this world. It takes a strong soul to go deeper. It takes a strong love to go through this madness. It takes a strong love to go through all of it, through all of it. Black balloon, don't you cry. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly alone. Oh, 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 oh. Black balloon, don't be sad. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly along. Oh, 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 oh. There'll always be someone trying to hold you down. Just forget about it now. Follow your passion, follow your dreams, even if it flows upstream. Ah, 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 ah. It takes a strong soul.
So, my friends, you're looking at a beautiful view of the canyon. I hope you enjoy the view.
slept all night on a big white ship. Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up with a sunrise on the sea. Such a precious gift to me. The salty breeze and the waves, the slow pace. The salty breeze and the waves. I'm not a right place. Yesterday we followed the road of the moon. We drove all day towards the coast. It remembered me the beauty of this life.
So, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the view. This is where we wrap it up, the beautiful Red Rock Canyon. Today the plan was to really demonstrate the egg fry, but it didn't work. Tell you what, I am grateful because this weather is actually beautiful. I'm still contemplating having a red stripe when I'm done here, and if I do, I'll just tap back in and share with you. But for now, this is your Jamaican on the Move. Thanks for coming along with me. One love. Until next time, or until I have my red stripe. Just remember, if you like this video, to give me a thumbs up, to comment, share and subscribe. Very important. Until then, one love. So, my friends, after a beautiful walk to the floor of the canyon, what is deserving? It's the red stripe. Right now in Jamaica, the temperature is 92 degrees, raining, and 90% humidity. How hot and sticky that is. I'm here at Red Rock Canyon in a beautiful 82 degrees. Windy, dry, heat, couldn't be more perfect. So cheers, man, to my red stripe. It's so good, I'm drooling. Oh, bummer. It's not staying in my mouth. But anyway, this is it, my friend. Cheers.
I slept all night on a big white ship. Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up with a sunrise on the sea. Such a precious gift to me. The salty breeze and the waves, the slow pace. The salty breeze and the waves. I'm at a right place. Yesterday we followed the road of the moon. We drove all day towards the coast. It remembered me the beauty of this life. Such a feeling to be alive. The salty breeze in my lungs, and back to where I'm from. The salty breeze in my